Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to find out why your Windows PC crashed using reliability monitor. So let's get started. Press Windows and R on your keyboard and type and press enter. The reliability monitor window will open and display your PC reliability history. At the top you will see the stability graph. The score ranges from 1 to 10, where 10 means the system is stable and lower numbers indicates problem. Below the graph you will see different symbols. Red with X indicates critical events, crashes, Windows failure, hardware errors. The yellow triangle indicates warning and the blue icon is information event. Now look for days marked with a red X, which indicates critical events such as application crashes, Windows failure, or hardware errors. Click the date when the problem occurred. In the lower section, you will see the details about the crashes. You will see details about crash, including the application name, Windows component, or hardware errors responsible for the issue. Double click on any event to view more information. Here you can see the details information about the issue. You can also click view all report to see a complete list of issues recorded on your PC. On the below, you will see here view all problem reports. Click on it and you will see a complete list of issues recorded on your PC. That's it. That's how you can quickly find out why your Windows PC crashed using the built-in reliability monitor tool without installing any third-party software. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more Windows tips and tricks. And thanks for watching my video.